What is artificial intelligence? Today, I want to talk about one of the most exciting and rapidly developing fields in technology, artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI is all around us, from the virtual assistants on our smartphones to the self-driving cars on our roads. In this video, I'll be explaining what AI is, how it works, and some of the fascinating ways it's being used today. What exactly is AI? At its core, AI is the ability of machines and computers to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, and problem-solving. AI can be broken down into several subfields, including machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Machine learning is the most common type of AI and involves training machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. How does AI actually work? The basic idea is that we teach machines to learn from data by feeding them large amounts of information and using algorithms to identify patterns and make predictions based on that data. Machine learning algorithms can be supervised, meaning they are trained on labeled data, or unsupervised, meaning they are trained on unlabeled data. There are also more advanced forms of machine learning, such as deep learning, which use neural networks to learn and make decisions. Now let's talk about some of the amazing applications of AI. AI is being used to improve healthcare by helping doctors diagnose and treat diseases more accurately and efficiently. It's being used in self-driving cars, where it can help vehicles navigate and respond to traffic and road conditions. AI is also being used in finance, to detect and prevent fraud, and in marketing, to personalize advertising campaigns for individual customers. But with great power comes great responsibility, and AI also raises some important ethical and social concerns. One of the main concerns is job displacement, as AI has the potential to automate many jobs currently performed by humans. Other concerns include biased decision-making, privacy concerns, and the potential misuse of AI in warfare and other domains. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of what AI is, how it works, and some of the exciting applications and challenges of this rapidly developing field. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on technology and innovation. Thanks for watching.